Guys, do I have to take the long way? No, just go down. Do I have to? Ugh. What am I made of anyways? Plastic? Oh, did I break? No. Okay, let's see what's in the box. It's hard to open it. There we go. Ah! What the? Whoa. Is this your box? Yes, I'm very angry. Coming back for a minute. Ooh. It's like a ball pit. Hundreds of toys. Did no one recognize me? When did you go in here? Oh, I've been in here for one day. Because he kidnapped me. Is that what he's going to do to us? Yes. Okay, let's run away with this treasure chest. Everybody, where's the treasure chest? Run! Wait for me. Wait, guys. Where did this dinosaur come from? Oh my gosh, run for your life! Ah! What the? It's a cute dinosaur. I own it. Wait a minute, what? Yeah. What are you anyways? Gosh, where are you? Hello? Anybody there? Hello? Where are you? This is my old pet. Where are you? Come on, little guy. This is my old pet. Wow. Can I ride him? Yep. Ah! Whoa. This guy's crazy. You like that dinosaur's a she, not he. Oops, sorry. Okay, I need to go back.